Won't you come?
Hello guys, it's currently 2:15 in the morning and I'm doing my makeup because in a while papunta na kami sa airport ni Mommy. Ang flight namin is 5 AM. So, yan. Sisimulan ko yung vlog ko sa ganitong itsura. Ay, ang dami ng makeup. Usap ni Mommy yung Grab car driver namin kasi mag-Grab car na kami papunta airport.
Kasi one way yan, pero pumasok ka ba?
Ayun, naliligaw siya. Si Daddy kasi may pasok pa later sa office. And it's already 2:45 right now. So, isa siya na magulo yung bahay namin. Wala kasing maid sila, Mom. Nahihirapan sila maghanap. So, since lahat sila may work, medyo hindi nila kayang i-maintain yung bahay ng todo-todo. But anyway, we're off to the airport. So, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, sa airport na kami ni Mommy. Hi, naantok na ako. It's ano oras na sila? 12. Din si May, may travel body ko siya this trip. Kasi yung ate niya talaga yung travel body ko. Pero, unfortunately, she's already married. So, finally, we have our boarding pass here with us. So, mag-check-in na kami ng aming gamit. And finally, makakapasok na kami sa loob and eat. I'm hungry and I'm sleepy. May vlog po kasi ako. Hi, tita! So, ayan. Air Swift yung sasakyan naming airplane. So, pala yung magiging barkada ko sa trip na to, si May and si Nicole. Hi, nice meeting you. Asa vlog ko na siya agad, di ko pa siya Kabahan ako sa luggage ko kasi mayroon akong tripod sa loob.
Sige ko kayo naman. Kasi
carry naman.
Si Mami, wala siyang check-in.
Okay. Group check-in. I-video ko yung luggage. Alam, bigat. Ay, oh my God. Ano kaya siya, mga friends? Oh, this is Anel. So, ayan, kaming apat ang Voltes 4 for this trip. Wait lang, tayo ka siya. Papasok na kami kasi gutom na kami. Gutom ka rin ba?
Oo. May gawang ba na?
Oh, diet?
Di ba wala sa itsura niya?
So, apparently, may free snacks daw ang Air Swift. So, yay, hindi kami gagastos. Let's go na. Snacks na. Sandwich daw siya. May brownie. Ayan na. Mukhay na ako niyan. Kaya mo na kami. Wala kami. Wala pa rin board.
Final call for check-in. Final call for check-in. This is to be number 4. Board aircraft now.
Okay, so yan yung plane na gagamitin namin sa trip namin. Air Swift. So, yan. Umaakit na sila, pero may trabaho ako so mag-video muna ako. Love na ako ng plane. Ang hirap mag-vlog kasi nag-work din ako I have to take the video of the whole trip. So, siguro may mga mamimiss akong parts na i-vlog ko for my personal vlog. Daragdagan ko na lang ng mga travel vlogs.
Ay, batans ba? Ibatas ako. Wala niyo.
We're already inside the plane. So, ito yung plane namin. It's a pretty small plane.
PTA goes to Batanes!
Estimated time of arrival is 35 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning.
So we're going to ride a propeller plane. I'm a little bit scared, but sabi naman nila safe naman. So, Wakay Tours ang aming host for this trip.
Present, simply push inside the aircraft.
Hi, so this is my OOTD for the flight. My short, ay bukas yung zipper ko. My shorts and my spaghetti strap top and just a cardigan. So ayan. And here is the bathroom. Charan! Madumi yung floor, ah. Pero, okay naman siya. Compared to other resorts na, you know, Hindi masyadong ano. And may heater. So that's a good part of bathroom. And then, yan. Ayan yung bed namin. So, 4 kami sa room. So, ayan, nakahiga na ako ngayon. And I'm trying to, to get some sleep first because I feel like later it's going to be a long day. Start na ng tour namin. So,
Ang una po nating papasyalan ngayon, itong Bayang Rolling Hills. Dito lang po tayo sa may party ng Basco. Ito yung North Toll. Bali, papasyalan natin yung Bayang saka yung Basco Lighthouse.
We're back in the van at naka-ponytail na ako mga friends because hindi kinaya ng buho ko yung hangin doon. As in, bonggang-bongga. Anli hangin siya. Yun, papunta na kami ngayon sa lighthouse. Batanes Tower. Lighthouse! Ay, Batanes Lighthouse. Right there. So yeah, we're about to eat lunch after 2 long walks. Nakakapagod dahil lumakad kami ng bundok. So, dito kami kakain sa Octagon. Guys, ang hirap mag-vlog kasi mahangin. Hindi naririnig yung audio ko. But I'll try to capture as much as I can. Lalo na yung mga environment shots. Para makita nyo yung Batanes. So, our food is being served right now. It's there. Oh my God, ang dami kong tusok-tusok sa dress. Ayan o. Dahil nagpagulong-gulong ako kanina. Kate! Kailangan tanggalin to, te. Tusok-tusok para siyang corns. So, yung restaurant namin, beachfront na naman siya. Pero sobrang hangin. Nagiging Pokemon na yung hair ko. And I'm doing time-lapse right now because I'm doing the video for this trip for the group. So, yun. So, this is my outfit for today. It's just a blue batik dress and white sneakers. We're here inside Mount Carmel Church here in Batanes. So, it's a good thing to visit a church in everywhere we go. So, magnanak ako 3 times sa door niya because they said na every time you visit a new church, you should knock on the door 3 times and make a wish. So we're here at Boulder Beach. They call it Boulder, baby, because there's a lot of rocks. Big rocks here. Oh my God, gano'n na yung hair ko. But this is our last stop for today. Finally, makakatulog na. Hindi na ako nakababa sa ibang spot. Grabe. I'll just go around so you can see. So we're here sa cathedral nila here sa Basco. Ang ganda ng church, guys. I'll show you. Oh, diba? Another first time kong masok sa church, so nag-wish na naman ako sa door niya. We just woke up from a 2-hour nap and then we're on our way to dinner. So, bangag-bangag-bangag siya. Nakakaloka, walang signal dito as in the whole day, walang signal pa the internet, wala ring service. So, there's no way to contact anyone in Manila. Ate, may internet na. Wala pa rin. Ay, ganun. Thank you. Hi guys, it's already 10:30 PM here in Batanes. Ito na yata yung pinakamaagang tulog ko for the past 6 years. Wala kasi magawa dito, Diyos ko day. As in, walang signal ng cellphone, wala ring wifi, walang 3G. So, wala kaming choice kundi matulog na lang. Tomorrow, we have to wake up really early, like 2:30 to 3 AM because 5 AM mag-breakfast na kami. 5:30 ang pull out namin to Sabtang Island, I think. So, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! So, we're getting ready to get breakfast first. Lalabas ako nila. Good morning, guys! It's already 5 AM. And, rinig nyo na ba kung gaano kalakas yung alon ng dagat and the wind? It's currently raining right now, so we're not sure if matutuloy yung tour namin today because we need to ride the boat to Sabtang Island. So, mababa muna kami ni Anel. Hello, good morning. To get breakfast first. And then, let's see later kung anong mangyayari sa amin. Yan. This is the front desk of our simple hotel. Villa Hontomin. And then, here is our breakfast area. Yan, si Tita Lalaine tsaka si Anel pa lang kasama. About to get coffee. Coffee muna. Hindi ako makape, pero I need this today kasi early ako nagising and then we have to tour the whole day, so yun. Oh my god, it's dark coffee. Pero nasarap ng timpla ko ng kape. I like my coffee sweet with a lot of creamer and brown sugar, so hindi ako pwede magkape araw-araw or else magkaka-diabetes ako. Sige na. And si Anel, look at him. Trying to send a message out. Kasi kailangan ganun eh. At Sun Cellular lang ang pwede. Yeah, take note of that. So, I think it's time for us to get a Sun Cellular SIM card. Smart. Or Smart. Actually, Smart wala din masyado eh. Sun Cellular lang talaga yung nakaka-text dito, guys. This is our food, corned beef and egg, finally. Thank you so much, ate. And I always get suka with corned beef. It's weird, I know, but I like that. According to our tour guide, tuloy kami sa pagpunta namin sa Sabtang Island. At kaya naman daw ng boat yung alon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung alon na medyo maliwanag na. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Medyo mahangin. But our boat has 85 capacity at medyo malaki naman daw siya. So, there's really no problem. Huwag daw kaming matakot na tataob yung bangka. Ang problema lang namin is kapag umulan kasi we're gonna visit a tribe or like a village there. Hi guys, we're about to leave. So this is my outfit for the day. It's just my comfy shorts and a white off-shoulder top and then a choker and bracelets. So, I'll just vlog again later pag nasa boat na kami.
Kilak na lang anak ha.
Bye! Hello, we're here sa port.
So fun.
Ha? So, baho naman. Yung live best, di namin mo sumama. Saka, gulawang mga people, friends. We're here na sa boat. Medyo nahihilo sa super nahihilo. Mahiluhin talaga ako sa mga... May motion sickness kasi ako dito eh. May vertigo pa ako. So wish me luck. Sana hindi ako magsuka. Hello guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi sumuka ako ng bongga sa boat. As in, 3 plastic yung sinuka ko. So I have to rest and humiga muna ako sa resting area nila. Tapos ito, nasa jeep kami ngayon because we're going on the tour na. So hopefully maging okay na ako at di na sumuka. Yung combination namin ay 18,000.
kung lumaki yun. Okay, yung next stop natin is Barangay Sabidog. Yung Barangay Sabidog na to is a barangay that is nominated to be one of the UNESCO World Heritage.
Hello guys, we're already here at Sabidog Village. It is where there are still stone houses, yung mga old houses. So that's what we're gonna see here. So yeah, pasok tayo sa loob. Ganda dito, relaxing. Medyo nawala yung pagkahilo ko, pero meron pa rin konti. So yan, si Daddy Ronnie.
Hello.
Buti na lang umaraw na. Thank you, Lord. Nag-sundance pa ako para dito. Look at these houses. Yeah, picture sila. And it's beside the ocean, so very nice. 1, 2, 3! So sila yung mga kasama ko sa tour. They're part of the Philippine Travel Agencies Association. And my mom is with us. So lahat kami travel agents here. So we're visiting the place so we can promote it to our clients. So yan ang trabaho namin. So we're taking a group picture right now. Tapos na ako sa job ko mag-take ng group picture, official group picture. So yan, tour muna kami. And then of course I'll show you what we can see. So naghahanap lang kami ng perfect place to take a picture. Sa village. Para siyang sa Jeju Island. Ay, hindi ka pala namin kasama sa Jeju. So, another, Diyos ko yung buhok. Another chapel or church. It's here in Sabitog, yeah. So, it's, yeah. So, another new church stone. Knock 3 times na naman and make a wish. So, this is my 3rd wish for this trip na. So, let's do that. So, yan. Pasok na tayo sa loob ng church. Tayo. And then, I'm going to make a wish. Ang ganda ng church inside, oh. I'm manibatan now. Right, so we're here sa parang, I don't know, parang hills nila, and then there are souvenir products like that, and then you can wear like Ivatan stuff like the hair and the bags, you know, para you will look local. So I did that earlier with my mom, and yun. So mamaya, bababa kami dun sa may hills to take a picture. So I'm just waiting for my mom kasi she's shopping souvenirs. So yun, bababa kami dun sa may dagat area and then dun sa may hills. So that's that. And medyo nawala na yung hilo ko kahit pa paano. So sana later pagbalik namin sa Basco, hindi na ako masyadong mahilo. Going down the hill now, and then wait, mag-picture muna kami sa loob. Alright, so mahirap pala mag-off shoulders pag may mga ganito. That's that. Diyan kami aakyat. Wish me luck. Hi, kambing! There's a kambing! Ang arte! There's a kambing! There's a kambing! Hindi ko alam yung English ng kambing, nakalimutan ko. There's a goat! Oh, yun. Sasabihin ko sana, weh! So, hindi na kami umakit doon. Kasi struggle talaga mag, up and down. Diyos ko.
Sabihan ko kung may tatapak.
Sige. Oo nga, baka matapak ako ng punang baka. So, ang masasabi ko sa second day namin is, you have to go here kung malakas pa yung tuhod mo. Kasi parang puro akit-akit siya no? It's like hiking, trekking, ganyan sa mga hills nila. Pero the view is nice naman. Maybe it's nicer if it's summer.
Or,
right?
Or
if it's sunny.
before yung tag-ulan. Basta yung before yung...
Yeah, because kapag katulad nito na umuulan. Wet yung ano, tsaka maputik siya. So medyo hassle. Tapos pinaka-pangit pa is sa boat. The Suka team. Oh yes. The boat. Kanina talaga guys, hindi namin kinain. Sumuka talaga kami kasi malaki yung alon niya. So, ikaw ba nag-roller coaster ka?
Oo. Pero kasi, at the same time, closed siya, walang hangin. Kasi nga, mababasa, umuulan. So, walang hangin.
Yon. So, if masusukahin ka, don't go here ng medyo rainy season because maalon siya. And then, hindi naman worth it na hindi ka pupunta dito sa Sabta kasi andito yung old village and everything. So, yun. Yeah. Aray. Tingnan nyo kung paano yung magpa-picture. Ma, baka mahulog ka. Mag-Holy Land pa tayo. So, ayan yung mga products na binibenta nila dito guys. So, cute mga Batanes stone houses na ano, na mga ref magnet. And then over here, they have houses. Diba? Ang cute, oh. Handmade nila yan. So cute. Ang cute ng headband nila, guys. 70 pesos lang. Pwede mo rin siyang i-wrap sa head mo, eh. Parang pa ganun. Kunin ko na to, ate. Pero sikipan natin ng konti. So, I found out that Diyos Mamahas means thank you. So, Diyos Mamahas Batanes. Diyos Mamahas. Ano? Paano pronunciation ng ate? Diyos Mamahas. Diyos Mamahas. Kasi yung hello po, paano po yung hello?
Paano yan mo dyan, Dane? Hello.
Paano sabihin yung hello sa Ivatan language? How do you say hello?
Kapian ka mo paano juice?
Ha? Ay?
Kapian ka mo paano juice? Kapian ka mo paano juice?
Kapyan?
Kamu paano juice?
Kapyan kapo, kamo.
Kamu paano juice?
Hello, ang haba naman ate.
Kapian ka mo paano juice?
Kapyan kapo paano juice?
Yan.
Don't kill my vibe daw ang peg nilang dalawa doon.
Buyabuy is a Philippine dates. Endemic dito sa Batanes.
Nakakain yun?
Yes po, nagkakain po yung bunga nito. Yan yung marami dun sa gilid na ano.
Parang palmera.
Parang palmera. Tupak, lalasag or tupak, tukap.
Nagagamit siya sa
Opo,
kalsada.
sinong gusto magsuotan?
Yung madali lang magubang.
yung...
Ito, yung pa ako na lang. Kuya.
Ayan siya. Sige.
Sa Bayanas.
Cinderella lang ang peg. Ay?
Patong mo dito. Hindi, patong mo dito.
Ay, patong.
Yan.
Sorry. Oh, my goodness.
Tapos ipapalit.
Ito, isusuot ko siya ng ano ng pang-decorate, hindi siya yung pangisda. Kasi ginamit sa pangisda.
I'm with Lola. Anong name mo, Lola?
Emilia.
With Lola Emilia, she's 80 years old. Pero
Emilia Havana.
84 years
Havana.
old. 82. Pero gumagawa pa rin siya ng mga ganito. Yung mga wheels. Inspiration goal si Lola sa pagtatrabaho. Tandaan natin yan, mga friends. Ice buko, sarap. Maambo na. Hi. So it's a small village again here in Shavayan. So yun. May mga stone houses pa rin here, mga old houses. And then they have a small chapel over here. Chapel ni De Lima. Santa Rosa de Lima Chapel. So it's a nice chapel with cute colors. Another chapel again. This is the fourth church that we went to here. So pang fourth wish ko na rin to. I knocked again on the door and made a wish. This time I made a wish for myself. Yun. So I know God will grant it in His own perfect time. But ubusin ko muna yung buko, ice buko ko, and then sakay na ako sa jeep namin and then continue with the journey. Ang ganda dito guys, nagustuhan ko siya kasi look at the environment. It's all green. Hindi lang halata kasi it's raining. It's drizzling actually. So there are mountains up over there and then the chapel over there. So, yep. Heading over to our jeep na. Hindi pa ako mahulog. Heading over to our jeep now. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, lampa talaga. We're about to eat. So we have this hot soup right here na parang nilaga effect. Tapos we're gonna eat here sa dahon. I don't know kung anong dahon yan. Yes, we're here in the beach. Beach, but we're using umbrella. Not because it's hot, but because it's raining. Raining galore. Ayun yung butas. Ano? Okay. Nakikita natin sa welcoming portion. Let's dip our feet in the waters of Batanes. Para masabi man lang natin na yung paa natin nakarating sa tubig ng Batanes.
Ano ba to? West Philippines pa din?
Ay, it's cold! Ay, lumulubog.
Dito tayo sa baba.